How much should you budget for your ad campaigns, for your top of funnel, middle funnel, retargeting? How much are you supposed to create there? My name is Leanna. I'm a paid media buyer, which means that I buy ads for other people to help them sell their services and products. And one of the biggest questions that I get is, how much should I spend? What should I budget so that I can actually get a result? Well, it really does depend on how much you can actually afford. I like to think of it in terms of percentages. So whatever the amount you can afford, you want to have most of it going to a cold audience to create that nice foundation that you can layer retargeting ads on top of, and then maybe have 10 to 20% in retargeting campaigns and have them all segmented within that that 20% of your budget. That's just a general guideline. Depending on what you're doing, each campaign is slightly different, but you can start off with that. Now, how big of a budget should you have? Well, it just depends how fast you want results. The more money you put in, the faster results you're going to get. You can have campaigns for as little as $1 a day. It's just going to take you a lot longer to test and to get results. So depending on whether you have a big budget or a small budget, you can actually get a lot more details about how to plan out your budget for your retargeting campaigns in the same way a pro does in this book by Justin Brooke called Retargeting Campaigns. The story behind this book is Justin spent over $10 million in online ads. And from that, he learned a ton, right? He learned what to do, what not to do. He learned how to allocate your budgets. And from there, he also picked out the top 7 most proven, reliable campaigns that you can swipe for yourself. Super easy to pick up. Most of the recipes are like 1 page long and it's like big print, right? So it's like not even that much. You just have to follow the instructions there and just set it and forget it. And the best news is this is free. So just go to the link and follow the instructions there to pick it up for free. Plus, if you use the link below, I also have an extra $500 in bonuses for you to help power up your campaigns. So head on over to that link and get started.